Okay guys, just kind of showing off some of the stuff the dropper's been making for us. Got himself a 3D printer. Made some really cool cones. We had them all set up nice and tight rows. And we did a race. I can't tell you which one because it ain't up yet. But look at this carnage, guys. Wow. What in the world would destroy those cones, man? I'll come on over here. I also made this. Pretty cool way if I can get it in here. Little Mr. Mom's garage. It's already got the little added weight bricks. Oh boy, look at that. If I can get it to focus. There we go. We got Mr. Mom's employee and a few bits of equipment in there. Not bad for first couple tries. There's going to be a lot more to come. We're going to try and set up our track kind of like what 3D does. Some nice little diorama stuff. So stay tuned.
Mr. Mom's General Dropper Special.